Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is Vellichor. Let's discover what this enchanting word means. Vellichor is the nostalgic feeling you experience when wandering through a bookstore filled with old books. It reminds us of memories, stories, and the timeless joy of reading. Here's an example. Walking through the old bookstore filled her with Vellichor and reminded her of countless afternoons spent reading. This means the bookstore awakened warm memories and a deep sense of nostalgia. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word Vellichor? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!